Good morning everyone. Today we will do exercise 11.2. We will start from the first question. Find the area of parallelogram. Now different figures are given to you. All are of parallelogram. We have to find area of parallelogram. So as we know, area of parallelogram is base into height. Base multiplied by height. So in first figure A part, now perpendicular is given to you. Naming is not given to you. You can give the name yourself. It's not necessary to give the name. Now DE is perpendicular to AB. It means this one is our height. So DE is height, that is 4 cm, and AB is the base, that is 7 cm. Now base and height is given to you. You will put the value and find the answer. Remember one thing, that perpendicular on base, that is our height. So base is 4 and base is 7 and height is 4. So 7 into 4, 28 centimeters square, its area. So that is why I have written square, centimeter square. So similarly we will do all questions, just multiply. Now here height is 3 and base is 5. So area I am writing direct. You can write B into H, it means base into height. Base is 5 and height is 3, so it is 15 centimeters square. Again, area of parallelogram you can write in this way also. Draw the parallel lines and GRAM, that is parallelogram. Base into height. You know all the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel and equal. So here base is 2.5 and height is 3.5. You will multiply it. You will get, first simply multiply. So 8.75 centimeters square. Then D part, area of parallelogram, B into H. Now here see, now here perpendicular is in this way. So height is 4.8 and base is 5. So base is 5, height is 4.8, multiply it. 24 centimeters square. Then E part, height is 4.5 and base is 2. So 4.4 multiplied by 2, you will get 8.8 centimeters square. So now we have done question number 1. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2. Find area of triangles. Triangles is given to you. First, the formula of area of triangle, half into base into height. Now in case of parallelogram, it was base into height, but in case of triangle, we will divide it by 2. So half into base into height. So here height is 3 centimeter and base is 4 centimeter. So first you can write base is 4 centimeter and height, that is 3 centimeter. So area of triangle, you can give name also, half into base into height. So half into base is 4 and height is 3. Cancel it. You will get 6 centimeters square. So it is the answer of A part. Now B. Area of triangle. Instead of writing, you can draw the triangle also. So half into B into H, that means base into height. So height is 3.2 because perpendicular is given to you and base is 5. Now you can remove this decimal and write here 10. Then again you can solve it. So you will get 8 centimeters square area. That is why I have written square. Now it is right angle triangle. So height is 4 and base is 3. Area of triangle. You can draw triangle. Half into base into height. So base is 3. Height is 4. Cancel it. 6 centimeters square. Now here triangle is this one. It is obtuse angle triangle and height is outside the triangle. So area of triangle half into base into height. So base is 3 and height is 2. Cancel it. You will get 3 centimeters square. So it was your question number 2. Now we will do question number 3. Question number 3. Find the missing value. Now box is given to you and different values is given to you. Now in first part, base is 20 centimeter. Height is not given to you. Area of parallelogram is given to you 246 centimeters square. So what we have to do, we have to find the value of height. Now first we will write area of parallelogram, that is base into height, and area of parallelogram is given to you 246. So instead of area we will write 246 and base is given to you 20. We will write 20 instead of b and multiply by h, that is height. We have to find it. Now 20 is multiplying it here. Now it will go to another side. It will be divided according to the simple equation we have done in previous chapter. So 246 divided by 20, we will get 12.3. So height is 12.3 centimeter in first part. So we will write 12.3 in A. Now in B part, we have to find the value of base. Height is given to you, area is given to you. In similar way we will do. In each question we will simply divide area whether with base or you can divide with height. Whatever is given to you according to the condition. Now area of parallelogram, base into height. Now area is given to 154.5 centimeters square. Instead of height we will write 15. Now 15 is multiplying is here. When it goes to another side it will get into divide. So 154.5. I remove here decimal and write in the denominator 10. So when I cancel it I will got the answer 10.3 centimeter. Third part we have to find again base. So simply area divided with base. So area is 48.72. Remove decimal, write here 100. Now 8.4, remove decimal, write down here 10. So cancel it, you will get 5.8 centimeter. Cancellation you will do yourself according to the given condition. You can cancel with that 2, 5. The table you will see. Now D part. Base is given to you, height is not given to you. You will divide area with base. So area is 16.38 and base is 15.6. You will divide it and remove the decimal. You will get the answer 1.05. That is D part. You will make the box in your notebook and write the answer. And you have to show the area of parallelogram formula and the given condition. So now we will do question number 4. Question number 4. Find the missing value. Now base is given to you, height is not given to you, area of triangle is given to you 87 centimeters square. We will do the same we have done the previous question, but the formula is changed. Now area of triangle half into base into height. Now put the value of area, that is 87, half into base is 15. We will write 15 height. Now 2 is dividing here. When it goes to other side it will multiply. 15 multiply. When it goes to other side it will get divided. Now solve it. Multiply 87 into 2 and then divide with 15. You will get 11.6 centimeter. That is our height. Now in next part we have to find base. Again we will put the value in area of triangle. Then 2 divide here. It will multiply. 31.4 multiply. If we go another side divide. I remove the decimal and write down here 10. Now cancel it. You will get 80 centimeter base. Now how you will cancel, that depend upon you. You can cancel with 1, 2, 5, 6 or you can cancel with the 2. I am cancelling here. Then again cancel out and you will get the 80 centimeter. Now C part. In C part you have to find height. Again same. Now 170.5 half into 22 into h. Now 2 multiply and 22 divide and remove the decimal. You will write here 10. Then cancel out. You will solve it. You will get 15.5 centimeter height. So it was question number 4. Now we will do question number 5. Question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to S. This one is a height. And then QN is the height. QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is 12 centimeter, this one is given to you 12, and QM is 7.6 centimeter. Find the area of parallelogram PQRS. Now this one is a parallelogram. Now base is 12 and height is 7.6. So first, for the first part, we will write base, and that base is SR. It's given to you 12 centimeter. And height is given to you, that is QM is 7.6 centimeter. Now we will have to find area of parallelogram. So formula is base into height. So 12 into 7.6, when we multiply it we will get 91.2 centimeter square. So this one is our area. Now B part we have to find QN if PS is 8. Now this one is given to you, this one is 8 centimeter. Base is given to you, you have to find height. And area is also, that is 91.2 is we have already find. So we will write now base, that is PS is 8 centimeter, and height, that is QN, which we have to find, we don't know. Now area of parallelogram. Now formula is base into height. Now base is 8 centimeter, height we don't know, and area is 91.2. So 8 multiplying here, when it go to another side, divide, remove the decimal, write down here 10. Now cancel it. Now I am going to cancel it on the table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are again on 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, again on 2, 1 1 4. Then we will then 114 upon 10, that is height. Now 11.4 centimeter is the height. So it was question number 5. Today we will do till question number 5. Next we will do next time. Till then, bye.